Hey there, eco-warriors! Ever wondered how you can make your ride more eco-friendly and save a few bucks at the same time? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm gonna walk you through why converting your car to compressed natural gas or CNG is a smart move. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is CNG? Well, CNG stands for compressed natural gas, which is a cleaner alternative to petrol. It's derived from natural gas, which is abundant and more sustainable. It emits fewer pollutants, reduces greenhouse gases, and best of all, it's cheaper. Imagine cutting down your fuel costs while also doing your part for the environment. Sounds like a win-win, right? But there's more to it than just cost savings. So, how do you convert your petrol vehicle to CNG? Here's a step-by-step breakdown to make it simple. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Step 1. Consult a professional. This is crucial because the conversion involves installing a CNG kit, which includes components like a tank, injectors, and a control unit. The professional will guide you through the process and ensure everything is done correctly. Step 2. The technician will install these components, usually in the trunk or under the car. This step is vital for the safe and efficient operation of your CNG system. Step 3. The system is calibrated to ensure optimal performance and safety. Calibration ensures that your car runs smoothly and efficiently on CNG. And voila, your car is now ready to run on CNG. Now let's talk benefits. Firstly, cost savings. CNG is significantly cheaper than petrol, so you'll notice a difference in your fuel expenses right away. Secondly, the environmental impact. CNG burns cleaner than petrol, reducing harmful emissions and your carbon footprint. This means you're contributing to a healthier planet. Plus, CNG engines tend to run quieter, which means less noise pollution. Imagine driving through your neighborhood without disturbing the peace. But wait, there's more. Safety is a big concern for many, and rightly so. Modern CNG systems are designed with multiple safety features such as pressure relief devices and shut-off valves. These features ensure that the system operates safely under various conditions. CNG tanks are incredibly robust, often stronger than petrol tanks, reducing the risk of leaks or explosions. This makes CNG a safer option for your vehicle. However, regular maintenance is key. Just like any other system in your car, the CNG system needs to be checked periodically. Ensure you get your CNG system checked periodically by a professional to keep it in top shape. This will help you avoid any potential issues and keep your car running smoothly. So, what's the bottom line? Converting your vehicle to CNG is a fantastic way to save money, reduce your environmental impact, and enjoy a smoother, quieter ride. If you're considering making the switch, I highly recommend consulting a professional to get started. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you live a greener life. Let's drive towards a greener future together. Every small step counts, and switching to CNG is a big leap in the right direction. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep driving green and stay eco-conscious. Together we can make a difference. See you next time.